Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. So, a lot of you have been requesting a dance tutorial on how to do the signature shuffle from Fortnite. So here it is. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests. And thank you, oh my god, 5728 for being the first one to request it. Alright, so mostly the dance is all about the leg work, so I'm gonna start with the leg work, and for those of you who are interested, you can watch the arms later on. Alright, so now the dance starts actually at a weird place in my opinion, so I'm just gonna start at a different place, and then, you know, the dance repeats itself, so you can basically start anywhere. Alright, so when I start from here, this is actually after the turn, they jump down here, so you wanna, from here, you wanna jump back like this, so your right goes in front of your left. So you're basically just doing the opposite here. You're taking your left and switching position with your right, like that. So I went from here to here. And notice how my upper body is facing from here to here. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, here. Alright, so you went from here, jump. Now you want to jump up on your right, lifting your left up like that. Yeah, so I went from here to here, from here to here. Alright, so from here, jump back, up on your right, now go back to the same position, yeah? And then you want to do the same jump again. So you're doing 2 of those. So from here, you want to jump around on your right, back out on your right. Now from here, what you want to do is take down your left leg here. And at the same time, you also want to open by twisting here your right foot like that. Yeah, so you're up on your heels, out. Let's just do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, out. Again. And you want to go down a bit, just when you open here. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, out. Okay, so once you've opened here, what you want to do is say close. Yeah, so you're taking your knees inwards like that. And notice how my heels are going out here. And then you want to say open and then close. Now the easiest thing would be to do it up on your toes here when you do the twisting here. Or you could also do it flat foot as well. So let's just try that again from here. You want to say open, close, open, close. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, close, open, close. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, close, open, close. Alright, so from close, this is my favorite part. So what you want to do is say up on your heel like that. So twist up, down. Yeah, just go down right away because it's hard to keep your balance up here. Whoop, down. Now from here, you want to say jump, cross, like that. Yeah, so notice how my feet are also saying open. Yeah, so my heels are inwards and toes are pointing outwards. So I went from the opposite here to here. And the right foot is in front of the left foot. So let's try it from, we just said open, close. Now from here, we do the new part here. So, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. We say open, down, jump. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, down, jump. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, down, jump. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so starting from here, we wanna say cross, up, down, up, open, close, new part, down, cross. Alright, now let's do it slow. So from here, 7, 8, we go jump, up, back out, now open, close, new part, whoop, down, cross. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, up, now down, back up, now open, close, open, close. Now new part. Boom. Down. Cross. Alright, last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Up. Jump. Up. Open. Close. Open. Close. New part. Down. Cross. Alright, moving on. So the next move is probably the most difficult one, but let me try to break it down for you. So we're in from here. Basically what you want to do is just do 4 jumps on your right foot. Yeah, so you're just saying 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, right? Let's try that again. 5. Let's try it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what I want you to do is try to jump slightly to your right, back to your left, right, left. So like this. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Let's just try once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Okay, the second part of it is I want you to practice saying your left foot here is saying out, down, out, down. Now you don't have to exaggerate in the beginning, right? You can do a small one. You don't have to do whoa. So, whoa, whoa. So at the same time as you're jumping, you want to do out, down, out, down. Let's try that again. Actually, let's try from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, down, out, down. Now what you'll notice is that you will probably automatically turn, here, your feet, also your body wants to turn when you're doing this. Yeah, so let's try it again. We want to do jump, boom, boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, boom, jump, boom. Actually, I think I should also mention that it's easier to keep your balance if you swing your arms up here. So just for this move, let's just practice these arms as well. What I'm doing is I'm saying whoop. Yeah, so the arms are going out to your right side, actually the direction that you're jumping. Boom. Then you want to swing it to the opposite side. Boom, 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 boom. Let's try that again. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so from hit and hit. From here, actually go back out here. And then you want to jump on your left back. Yeah, so it's switching. This one goes to the back and this one goes to the front. And most of your weight is on your left foot here, so that you can easily lift up your right. So let's try that again. We just said hit, and you want to jump left. Actually, this one is down here, touching the floor. And then you want to say, take this one up and do a running man. So you're jumping on your left again, whoop, and then you want to say down. So hit, and jump left again, lifting up your right. And notice I'm turning here to my front, and then I'm taking running man. So I did hit, and left, down. Again, let's say hit, and left, down. Let's try that again. 5. Actually, let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down, and back, and down. Again, from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, down, back, running, man. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Down, up, back, running, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat it one last time from the side, just so you can see it from another angle. So, from here, I wanna say, jump, down, back out, here, running, man. Okay, so there isn't much left, so hang in there, let's do the rest. We just did hit, back, running man. So from running man, what I want you to do is basically just do 4 jumps on your right foot, but they're very subtle. So it's just down here. And your left is saying swing up, sweep, up, place. and this is the prep for turn, turn. So we just did running man. Let's just do the left foot here. It says up, sweep, up, out. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, back, sweep, up, down. And while you're doing all this, you're doing 4 jumps on your right foot. So you're saying jump, 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 jump. Yeah, so the first jump is down here, back here, and then down, up, round. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, 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 ta. A bit slower, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, 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 ta. This is actually super difficult to do slow because you're supposed to do one smooth movement, yeah? Okay, so from here, let's just do the rest. What you want to do is say prep, yeah, so you want to prepare for the jump. So you're saying swing, and then you want to jump back around here. So I'm swinging my left all the way over here, and I want to keep the momentum to say swing again, but this time I'm going up on my toes, saying here, out. Yeah, so you don't have to be up on your toes for that long. You can just jump the rest of the way. So you say jump here, up, down. Yeah, so remember when you jump out or down, you want to take your feet apart like this. Yeah? Okay, the last part is super tricky, so let's just do that a couple of times. From the running man here. So we want to do and sweep, up, down, swing, jump, up, jump. Again, 5. So we're going to do it from the running man. So we want to say sweep and so on. 5, 6, 7, 8, back, sweep, up, and round, jump, here, down. And then this is where you repeat the dance, right? So boom, and so on. Okay, let me just repeat the last part from the side. So we just did, actually no, I'm going to show you from here, right? So boom, boom, back, running man from here. So jump, 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 mirror, prep, around, and turn here. Alright guys, let's just do it from here. Boom, boom, boom. Round. Ha! Alright, so I'm gonna try to do that part as slow as possible, but as you can see, the dance makes more sense when it's done fast. So, from here, you want to say jump. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go jump, down, jump, down, up, now back, boom, again left, running man, down, now from here, jump, 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 jump prep, jump, all the way to the front, and then swing, round. Alright guys, let's take it from the tip to the top, the whole thing. If you're still struggling with the last part, just go back, pause the video, practice a few times, and then come back here. Okay, so quick recap from my side. We're gonna go boom, and down, close, close, up, cross, new part, tap, running man, whoop, and here, round, down. Alright, let's take it slow. So from here, 7, 8, we go jump, up, down again, up, now get ready to open, now close, open, close, get ready to go. Up on the heels, down across, boom, from here you want to jump, boom, tap, jump, tap, jump back out, down behind, boom, running man, up, down, 4 jumps, boom, 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 jump right, here, and then around, down. Alright, let's try that again. So, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, jump up, down again, up, get ready to open, close, open, close, now up on your heels, whoop, down, cross, now jump, side, tap, one last time, behind, running man, down, 4 jumps, jump, 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 jump right, around, and then up, down. Alright, I'm gonna try one last time where I'm gonna speed up a bit. Remember, you can always change your speed settings, so you can watch it even faster or even slower if you want. So, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, up, down, up, open, close, heel, cross, tap, tap, round, running man, jump, 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 up, down.